Hello and welcome back to BitFix. If you're watching this, you're probably preparing to apply for the prestigious Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship. Congratulations on taking that first step towards studying in Hungary. One crucial part of your application is the motivation letter, which helps the scholarship committee understand why you're the perfect candidate for this scholarship. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to write an outstanding motivation letter that will stand out from the rest. I've even created a template for you, so stay tuned. If you have any questions during your application process, feel free to contact me on Instagram. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on scholarships and studying abroad. First things first, the motivation letter is your chance to make a strong impression on the scholarship committee. This letter is not just a formality, it is your opportunity to show why you're passionate about your field of study, why Hungary is the right place for you, and how this scholarship will help you achieve your future goals. The committee will be looking for clear answers to specific questions, and it's crucial to provide detailed, thoughtful responses. Let's go through these questions one by one, and I'll guide you on how to craft the best possible answers. The Stipendium Hungaricum Foundation has provided a list of questions that you must address in your motivation letter. Now that you know the key questions to answer, let's talk about the writing style. Your motivation letter should be clear, concise, and personal. Use real-life examples to support your claims and show the committee that you've thought carefully about your goals and challenges. Remember, the letter should be between 1 to 2 pages long. Avoid being overly generic. Instead, focus on providing specific details and reflecting your personal journey. I've put together a template that you can use for your motivation letter. You simply need to fill in your personal information and you'll have a solid draft ready. The link to the template is in the description below. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to me on Instagram. I'm here to help you with your application process. Also, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos on scholarships and like this video if you found it useful. Good luck with your Stipendium Hungaricum Scholarship application and remember to stay determined.